If you're growing a YouTube channel, maybe you feel like Mike.
Great. Another late night of editing. I can't keep doing this every night.
He tries to convince himself that staying awake this late is going to be worth it.
Why isn't this doing better? I mean, I'm working really hard and trying really hard, and all I'm getting is like 34 views on a channel with 284 subscribers. I've been doing this every single week for an entire year, and I'm still not even getting any comments. How am I supposed to improve if I'm not even getting any feedback? I love doing this YouTube thing, but when I'm looking at these other channels that are out there, they're getting tens of thousands of subscribers, and I should certainly have that by now. I mean, if people like those other channels, like they would certainly love mine too, but why don't they? Well, let me just finish this video. Maybe this one will be different, right?
Does Mike's story sound like your story? Unfortunately, it's very common. As a certified YouTube consultant, I have worked with literally over 1,000 YouTube creators, and I see this story time and time again. So why is it that some channels seem to be a magnet for tons of views and tons of subscribers and sponsorships and explosive growth, while other channels just stay flat and stagnant? Like, if it's not based on just being like really hilarious and having mind-blowing videos, what is it? Well, here's the secret. You need an intentional, focused YouTube strategy, and that is what I want to give you in this course, 30 Days to a Better YouTube Channel. This process has literally been refined over thousands of YouTube creators and over a decade of experience that my team and I have had growing YouTube channels for our clients. We've worked with Disney and HBO and Warner Brothers and eBay and Budweiser, a lot of big brands, all the way down to creators maybe like yourself who are just starting out, 0 views, 0 subscribers, who want to grow a YouTube channel, get more views, more subscribers, earn money, grow your business, and just need that step-by-step plan to do that. This process is the basis for how my team and I here at Video Creators have helped our clients generate over 14 billion views on YouTube, 61 million subscribers, and that number is growing very rapidly. People, creators just like yourself, they've gone through this process and they started at 0 views, 0 subscribers, and within 6 months, some of them are doing over 15 million views per month. So what are the necessary strategies you need to grow a very highly subscribable YouTube channel? Well, you need 5 strategies, and we're going to teach you all of them throughout this course. Number 1, how does your YouTube channel present itself to a viewer? And number 2, you need good channel design, which is how do you design your YouTube channel to communicate to a first-time viewer what you're all about. Number 3, you need a video strategy. It's all about how do you craft your content to be more discoverable in search and homepage and suggested videos and more. But it's not enough to just get discovered. You actually need to quickly get those first-time viewers to care. And that is the 4th strategy that you really need to implement. How do you get those viewers to not only like your video and watch it, but actually care about you and want to keep watching more and more and more? And then number 5, you need a strategy for how you're going to scale this thing. After you get that first-time viewer and you've converted them into a part of your community, then what's the next step that gets them to convert into the business element of your channel? Whether that be a business you're growing or sponsorship deals that you're trying to land or just AdSense overall, like what does that process look like? You need a strategy for that. It doesn't happen accidentally. Think of it this way. Your channel strategy is like if you were going to open a restaurant, and before opening for business, you know it's important to make a really good first impression. So you arrange the tables nicely, you make sure all the dishes are clean, you fix the bathrooms, install a few speakers to play music in the background, and you just get the environment, the vibe, looking and feeling really, really great. Once the restaurant is in order, now it's time to open for business. And this is like your search and discovery strategy. This is how guests are going to find you and find out about your restaurant in the first place. And as the excellent restaurant owner you are, you did a great job at enticing people to come and check it out because now the guests are arriving. Well, now what? Well, now you need an audience development strategy to ensure that they stick around, enjoy each other, and especially enjoy your restaurant. So you serve amazing, delicious food that everyone loves and just really enhances the experience that people are having in your restaurant. Before you know it, you have a few regulars who are returning every week to consume more from your restaurant, and they're telling their friends about it, and you just keep growing month over month over month, and by the end of the year, your restaurant, which had 0 customers, is now exploding with growth. This is how we're going to treat your YouTube channel over the next 30 days. Having a nice looking restaurant means nothing if the food is bad. And having delicious food actually isn't helpful if the overall experience at the restaurant is poor. You gotta remember that most viewers are not nearly as emotionally engaged with our videos as we are. In fact, the very first time they've ever even thought about our video is maybe the second or two before they decided to click play. So how do we make it easy for those first time uninvested viewers to be drawn into our content and become engaged subscribers? That is the big question that this course will help you address. Over the next 30 days, we're going to step by step lead you through how do you develop all 5 of these strategies for your channel, for your audience, for your content. Every day in these 30 days, you're going to get 3 things. Number 1, you're going to get a teaching, which is something you need to know about how YouTube works or the impact that this principle will have on your channel. And then number 2, you're going to get tasks, assignments that you're going to do right then and there on your YouTube channel so you start seeing results right away. And then 3, you're going to get links to further resources, other articles, other videos to watch, both from my channel as well as many other resources online that are going to help you take that to the next level if that's something that you feel like you really need to dive into deeper. And I'm giving you all access right up front to the full 30 days so you can work through it one day at a time as the course is intended, or you can go through it faster or slower as your schedule permits. One of my favorite stories is from Scott, and he said this: last week I started a new channel and put into actions your training. In only 1 week, we have 6,000 subscribers and 300,000 minutes of watch time in 6 days off of 5 videos. Another creator, Kara, went through it and said, I learned how to make my videos in a way that provide real benefits and connection with my viewers. In a little over a year, I went from 1,500 subscribers to almost 15,000 subscribers by following the 30 days training. And then there's Sean as well. I went through the 30 days course within my first 30 days of starting my channel because I wanted to do things right from the start. The growth was pretty dramatic. I had 2,000 subscribers after 1 year, 50,000 subscribers after year 2, and 120,000 subscribers after 3 years, and now I am full-time on my YouTube channel. Throughout my channel's existence, I've used the concepts in 30 days to a better YouTube channel to grow my channel. And in my case, the growth of my channel has meant a total change of career trajectory. And that way, the course changed my entire life. I love these stories, and I literally have hundreds of them, and I want you to be next. This course only takes 30 days. It's easy, it's simple. Your non-techie great Aunt Trudy could do this with no problem. We're going to work on everything, including your titles, your thumbnails, how you hold someone's attention, how do you get them to watch more of your videos and start ranking in search results and getting to the homepage of YouTube for even greater discoverability. We're going to look at how to find opportunities for growth in your YouTube analytics and answer questions about how often you need to post new videos and how to make it easy for new viewers to fall in love with your videos. Never again will you wonder if you're doing the right things to grow your channel, because now you'll have the exact process you need. If you consistently implement everything for 30 days and don't see any results within 90 days, just contact us for a full refund. I know I don't like feeling like I wasted my money on something, and I don't want you feeling that way either. This process works. I want you to experience it. I can't wait to hear how you grow from tens, hundreds, maybe thousands of views to tens of hundreds and tens of thousands and literally millions of views per month on your YouTube channel. So click the button you see down below this video, go through the checkout process, and I will see you on the other side in less than 1 minute. See you then.